So I went to YouTube and I looked up a video of ours, and it's very important. You want to make sure you get the link to the video itself, not the channel. So make sure you actually click on the video, and then in your URL bar, just copy that video. And this is what one of ours looks like. And then you can choose the dimensions or keep it the same and just click OK. And that's it. And if we publish this, let's go to our blog and refresh the page. Now we have that video shown up right here, and we can click to play. So again, Viper's video is great because in addition to YouTube, you can upload QuickTime videos, Vimeo, Vidler, Blip, just by simply pasting in the link to the video online, and that's all there is to it, and that video will play on your blog. So again, the Viper's video quick tags is an awesome plugin. So check that out, and you can get to the settings by clicking on settings right under the name, and you can choose which video services and types of videos will show up in your post menu screen. So it's very cool. Okay, next up is the WordPress database backup. And this WordPress database backup is really cool because this is what's going to allow you to automatically get a backup of your blog on a regular basis. So now under Tools, right up here, there's a new button called Backup. And if we click on that, it is this WordPress database backup plugin. So what you want to do is select what you're backing up. And basically, any tables we have, we want to check. And then if you want to exclude spam, it's usually best to exclude spam. You can check that. And then it just gives us the options. So the backup options are save to the server. You could do it right now and just download it to your computer or email it. This is the best part, the scheduled backup right here. So you could get it backed up once hourly, twice a day, or once a week. What I do is I back it up once a week. So if I check the once a week box, and I'm going to check this as well to include it, and then this is where you put your email address. Whatever your email address says, you just put it right in here. And that's it. And you would just click Schedule Backup. Once you do that, every single week, you will automatically get emailed a backup of your blog database every week. You don't even have to do anything. It'll automatically get emailed to you. It's a great way. In fact, make sure you do this because I've gotten calls from people who have lost everything because their host, something happened and they lost all their blog data. If you do at least a weekly backup, then you protect yourself from that. And once you set it up once, automatically it'll happen every single week. So that's a great plugin. Again, it's called WordPress Database Backup. The other plugin is the WP Hide Post. And this is actually a pretty cool plugin. If we go to Posts and add new, let's say you're doing a post and it's just for certain members of your blog, or it's a post that maybe you want to have it show up under, a category. Maybe you want it to show up on the Bulldogs category, but you don't want it to show up on the home page. I'm going to show you how to do that. We'll just call it not home, not on the home page. So let's say we've got this post about Bulldogs and we just don't want it to show up on our home page. Well, now that we have that Hide Post plugin installed, down here, there's an area here called Post Visibility. All we have to do is just check this box, hide on the front page. Just like that. You could also hide on author pages in the archives. You could even make it so it didn't show up on the category pages if you wanted to. In this case, let's just hide it on the front page. And we click Publish. And it works. So if we go back to our blog and we click Home, it does not show up on our home page. But if we go to Bulldogs, to the category, there it is. It shows up in the category, but not the home page. So you may not need to use that a lot, but if you ever do want to control where your posts show up and when, the Hide Post plugin gives you total flexibility and the power to be able to make it show up when and where you want. And that's WP Hide Post. Okay, the last plugin is the Contact Form 7. Let's take a quick look at that.